Welcome back to my YouTube channel Smart Tractor Tech. Today, we're diving deep into a machine that's the heartbeat of modern farming, the tractor. But not just any tractor, we're talking about the powerful, efficient, and smart tractors that are changing the way we look at agriculture in 2025. Farming has never been easy. From sunrise to sunset, it's a lifestyle powered by passion, endurance, and a commitment to feed the world. And at the center of this lifestyle is one machine that makes everything possible, the tractor. Let's take a moment to appreciate the beauty and engineering behind the machine you see on your screen. This is not just a vehicle. It's a partner, a workhorse, a symbol of strength. The design reflects durability and performance. The tires are built for rugged terrain, the engine crafted for maximum torque, and the body reinforced for long days in the field. In 2025, tractors have evolved more than ever before. We're no longer talking about just horsepower and diesel. We're talking about artificial intelligence, GPS automation, fuel efficiency, and precision farming. The tractor you're looking at right now may look classic in its style, but under the hood, it's a smart powerhouse. So, what makes a 2025 tractor smarter than ever before? Let's start with precision farming technology. Modern tractors are now equipped with GPS and real-time kinematic systems (RTK) that allow them to operate with accuracy within 1 inch. Imagine a machine that knows exactly where to plant, spray, and harvest, reducing waste and maximizing yield. This is not just efficient, it's revolutionary for small and large farmers alike. Then comes telematics integration. Your tractor can now connect to your smartphone or tablet. You can monitor fuel levels, maintenance schedules, and even track field performance from anywhere in the world. With the integration of cloud technology, farmers are now managers, using data to make real-time decisions that impact production and profit. Another exciting advancement is in electric and hybrid engines. While diesel engines are still very much in use, the shift towards sustainable farming has brought hybrid and fully electric tractors to the forefront. These models produce fewer emissions, are quieter, and often cheaper to operate in the long run. Now let's talk about comfort and safety. Tractors in 2025 are not just about muscle. They're also designed with the operator in mind. From air-conditioned cabins to ergonomic seats and intuitive controls, spending 10 hours in a tractor is no longer exhausting. Safety features such as rollover protection systems, ROPS, automated braking, and even collision avoidance sensors ensure that every ride is safe and secure. Let's take a deeper look at the engine of the tractor in front of you. You'll see a rugged setup, showcasing engineering excellence. This particular model, while visually inspired by classic tractors, is fitted with a turbocharged diesel engine, enhanced for cleaner emissions and better torque at low RPMs. This means better pulling power and efficiency, exactly what a farmer needs during plowing or tilling. The tires, thick, deep tread, and wide, provide stability and grip in muddy or uneven fields. The front axle design allows for sharp turning, perfect for maneuvering in tighter plots or around obstacles. And the transmission. Modern tractors offer automatic and continuously variable transmissions (CVTs), allowing seamless power transfer and better fuel economy. Whether you are an experienced operator or just starting, these systems reduce fatigue and improve productivity. Now, let's talk economics. Buying a tractor in 2025 is not just a purchase, it's an investment. And like every investment, you want maximum return. That's where choosing the right model for your land and crop needs is crucial. Are you managing a small organic farm? A mid-range compact tractor with PTO and hydraulic lift might be ideal. Handling hundreds of acres. Then you're